In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually log any activity in HubSpot using your desktop. Whether you're logging a call, taking note of an email, jotting down a meeting, or simply making an internal note, I'm here to guide you through every step of the process. Let's get started and make sure you're capturing all your interactions efficiently in HubSpot. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific record where you aim to log your activity. In HubSpot's CRM, you can do this by heading over to the section labeled Contacts, Companies, Deals, or Tickets. Once you're in the appropriate section, click on the specific record you need to update. This step ensures that your activity is accurately attributed to the correct contact, company, deal, or ticket, keeping your records precise and up to date. Next, direct your attention to the upper left area of the record's timeline. Here, you'll find a series of activity icons. These options might include Note, Email, Call, Meeting, Task, or several log icons. This array of choices is your main toolkit for inserting data manually into HubSpot. Picking the correct icon is essential for ensuring that your activity is logged under the right category, which helps maintain clarity within your CRM. At this point, the choice is yours regarding what type of activity you want to log. For instance, selecting Note allows you to jot down internal notes or call summaries, which can be incredibly useful for maintaining a record of insights or action points. If you choose Email, you'll be able to send or log an email directly from HubSpot, which is handy for maintaining a seamless communication trail. Opting for Call provides the opportunity to make a call using HubSpot's calling tool, while Meeting is there for you when it's time to schedule or log a meeting. Bear in mind that the Log Email, Log Call, or Log Meeting options are there for activities you conducted outside of HubSpot, such as a past call or an email that you've already sent. Once you've selected the type of activity you wish to log, you'll be prompted to fill in various details. This can include the date and time, which is crucial, especially if you're logging past events. For notes, text or description fields allow you to elaborate on details, and there are insertion options for images, snippets, or knowledge base articles to enrich your notes. Moreover, you can make associations linking the activity to other relevant records like deals or companies. If you are logging a call or meeting, you'll also have the chance to specify outcomes and types, for instance, whether a call was connected or if you left a voicemail. Finally, you can set follow-up tasks, such as creating a task after logging a meeting to ensure no action item is forgotten. After you've entered all the necessary information, simply click on Save Note or Log Activity, depending on what you're working on. By doing so, your activity will be recorded on the timeline of the selected record, making it easily accessible for future reference. This straightforward process enhances your ability to track interactions effectively within HubSpot.